Hi, James from Fountain. These are a range of high flow, high usage Swan softeners we sell. Comes in three sizes. As you can see, it's got the hood on the top, which is great if you're installing it in a garage or a plant room, so it keeps it nice and clean. We do it in the 25, 30 or 35 litre options, depending on what you need, number of people in the property, that type of thing. The advantages of this unit is it's got a huge salt filling area, so you only need to fill it up every couple of months or so. You can use tablets or granular in this one, salt. Uses the high quality meter controlled valve, really easy to set up and to maintain. And it comes with either 3/4 or 1 inch connections on the back, depending on the size of the pipework you're connected onto. Nice and slim, doesn't take up very much room, perfect for a garage or a plant room type setup. If you've got any questions on it, have a look at the website. All the information is there, and of course give us a call if you need to. Thanks very much.